Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Rooting against me. Challenge accepted. 1. People doubt you. It motivates you to work even harder. 2. Someone says you cannot do it. Sounds like a challenge to prove otherwise. 3. Others underestimate you. Expectations stay low while you keep improving. 4. Not everyone cheers for you. You keep cheering for yourself. 5. People question your goals. Your actions become the best answer. 6. You face setbacks. Every setbacks became a lesson. 7. Someone laugh at your idea. Great ideas often start that way. 8. The road gets difficult. That's where growth usually begins. 9. You hear criticism. You listen, learn, and keep moving. 10. Someone expect you to quit. Persistence surprises people. 11. Progress feels slow. Small steps still move you forward. 12. The odds seem impossible. Impossible is just a bigger puzzle. 13. People overlook your effort. Consistency speaks over time. 14. You don't win today. Tomorrow is another opportunity. 15. Challenges keep coming. Your experience keeps growing. 16. Someone says you're not ready. Practice helps you get ready. 17. Success takes longer than expected. Good things often take patience. 15. You make mistakes. Mistakes become valuable teachers. 19. People disagree with your path. Everyone's journey is different. You feel nervous. Courage is moving forward anyway. 20. 21. People compare you to others. You focus on becoming a better version of yourself. 22. The competition is strong. A strong competition helps you improve. 23. You hear negative comments. You choose to focus on positive actions. 24. Things don't go as planned. Flexibility creates new opportunities. 25. The finish line looks far away. Every step gets you closer. 27. People expect you to fail. Your effort do the talking. 28. Every obstacle appears, it becomes another chance to grow stronger. 29. Support is limited. Self-belief keep you moving. If everyone rooting against you, 30. Stay focused, keep learning, and let your progress tell the story. Every challenge is another opportunity to become stronger. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.